Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast video day. My name is Eric. Today is the 21st of October around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Times. And today we're going to take a look at Boeing. We have done a series of videos about Boeing in the past, but Boeing today also has become a very interesting instrument to play. And the reason is because in the shorter cycles, Boeing can be also showing when world indices it will stand higher. As have said before in previous video, the market is not only about Boeing. The market is not only about the S&P. The market is not only about the yen or even the dollar. The market is about everything. So in Elliott Wave Forecast, we look at the market different than most waivers, right? And the reason is because we do understand the cycles, the sequences, the Elliott Wave, and also we do understand how they relate among others. I'm going to show you here the weekly chart of Boeing, in which is very clear that Boeing is being it ended at least this cycle here, and Boeing is gonna trade lower over here. But what is significant is that Boeing is being trading lower when instruments like the SPY, like the S&P, that they do trade the same cycles as Boeing, they've been rallying in what we call the second dimension when the instrument agreed in swing direction, no, and overall direction. Boeing has been trading lower, and the SPY, for example, is been trading higher. Having said that, I'm gonna put here the chart of the SPY compared to Boeing. It's exactly the same chart. Yeah, there are a few differences, like the SPY to these lows here. Boeing's never did. That's why maybe Boeing is a flat and we are ready in the wave 4 in blue, like we laboring in that degree. But the message that we're getting here is that there is many waivers across the planet are laboring the SPY already in this wave 4, and that we're gonna see a decline that is gonna take, without making a new high, is gonna take the SPY to retest of the 2018 low, the previous wave 4, before another rally. We believe otherwise. Why? Because, like I say, in what it seems to be a second dimension, which is, and I repeat, when the market trade the same swing direction, not the overall direction, send the peak here in Boeing, right here, which is this peak over here in SPY, this peak in an SPY over here, the Boeing did a consolidation. The S&P was able to break higher and continues to be supported. So the SPY won't crash now, like people believe. Why? Because Boeing, it won't let the SPY crash. This is the daily cycle, no question. The weekly cycle, no question asked that the S&P soon, sometimes in 2020, is gonna make the biggest correction since the lows in 2009. And maybe by that time, Boeing makes a new high and lower, or just retest the highs and lower. What is clear is over here that they trade the same side, and that the SPY being so strong on the highest and Boeing being so weak make SPY bullish, because consequently now SPY won't draw because Boeing won't let SPY draw. Let's downgrade the chart here a little bit and go to the 4-hour chart. This is the peak on March of 2009. The Boeing did 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and it did 3. And now it needs to do 1, 2, 3. Over here in the middle, Boeing did what is called a flat. And a flat is an structure in which you have three weights, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That trick many about the possible path of Boeing. But we, in our live session, been telling members of Elliott Wave Forecast that Boeing was doing a flat and that it will resume lower. What I was saying earlier is that Boeing be so weak compared to the SPY is gonna make SPY a buy when Boeing reach 275, 248, because at the end of the day they trade the same cycles of the market. It's just that sometimes they agreed in the swing, but but they agreed in the swing, but they do not agree in direction. So technically, if we look at the SPY here, SPY rallied together with Boeing when Boeing was supported here. They will drop together, they rally together over here, they drop together, they rally together, now they drop over here, and now they are in this leg. So SPY in the bottom is gonna do either this and do this, or extend a little bit more here and do this to allow Boeing, without a doubt, to allow Boeing to reach in this depth. But when Boeing does reach the string here from this area and the SPY is trading here, Boeing won't let SPY drop. So Boeing is giving us the timing of when to buy the SPY again, which is being completely sideways here. This area is completely sideways, and we repeat, we do not see any reason at all, to sell the indices. We don't see it. We do understand that we are trading within the last leg of a super cycle degree since 2009. We do understand that. But we know at the same time that even though the weekly chart seems to be ending 5 weeks from here, instruments like Boeing, it is telling me don't rush the short and find another ways to sell it, because the instances can remain supported and can be creating even an ending diagonal within this wave 5 here, that it can take it to the 340, 370 area as we stand. So in conclusion, what am I saying to you guys is that the Boeing trade, and the idea that Boeing is leading in what it seems to be into the correction, it seems like Boeing is gonna trade into the 275 area. The sooner the Boeing gets to 275 area, the bullish the S&P, the SPY, the Dow become. Because in the reaction based in market nature, either in this way into new highs and lower here, or either just to retest the 375 400 area, the SPY we have no other way SPY we have. When Boeing reached this area, SPY we have no other way other than stand to the outside. This is how we do things in Elliott Wave Forecast. I understand it's completely different to most. I understand that most people do not look at the market this way. I understand that most people look at the market completely different. I understand that most people look at the market completely different than than us. But for us, it's a very reliable system. For us, is a very reliable system that, without a doubt, that without a doubt is it works, and it works very nice for us, and nothing we there, and that's how we like it. This is how we like it, which is nothing more than correlating the market, correlating the cycles, understanding the wave, and using these tools to make a better forecast. So, no, I mean, the indices, they have more upside still. We keep the idea of 2020, and Boeing, with this decline that took place over the last few days, is confirming our view that over here is the time to buy the indices. And that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy it and have a good day. If you like it, as always, take our free 14-day trials. No commitments, 14 days free, but you're gonna get this type of analysis, which only are going to make you a much, much better trader. Thank you guys all. See you guys around.